Next, let us see question part C. This is fx equal to x squared multiply e to the power of minus cos x. So you should realize now that you have two different functions multiplied together. So we need to use product rule here. So how to differentiate this one using product rule? So the way is you need to let u as this term and let the second term as v, so that you can differentiate them using product rule. This is just u v prime plus v u prime. Okay, so keep one u, differentiate one v prime, plus keep another one v, differentiate another one u prime. So later on we'll follow this formula of product rule. So since we have u and v here, let us lay out what is u, x squared, and let's lay out our v. This is e to the power of minus cos x. So let's do the first function here first. Therefore, since u is x squared, u prime is just 2x. And for v here, let's find the v prime. So be careful, this is one function inside another function. So again, chain rule. Okay, so your function is e to the power of iam. Therefore, let's find our v prime. V prime is just e to the power of iam. And then let's further differentiate iam here. So further differentiate minus cos x. This is minus. And then differentiate cos x. This is minus sine x. So be careful, you have two negatives here. So let us simplify our v prime here. Negative times negative is positive. Therefore, our answer is e to the power of minus cos x multiplied by sine x. Therefore, now we have our u and u prime. We also have our v and also v prime. So now let us use the formula right now. This is just u v prime plus v u prime. So let's cut and paste. Our u is x squared. Our v prime is this one here. So let's write e minus cos x sine x. And then let's plus with v. So let's rewrite our v, e to the power of minus cos x, and multiply with u prime. So u prime is just 2x. So let's write here as 2x. So now let's simplify our answer. We have two terms here. So from the first term, we have x squared. This is, we have 2x. So we can factorize out x. And the next term, we have e to the power of minus cos x. We also have e to the power of minus cos x. So let us also factorize that term there. And then that's all. So what's left inside? Let us see, from the first term, this one divided by x is just x. And this term divided by this term is 1. Sine x divided by 1 is sine x. So we have finished writing the first term, plus, let's write the second term here. So this term divided by this term is 1. X divided by x is also 1. So we are just left with 2. Therefore, this is our final answer after we have simplified the answer.